everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. I wanted to tell you about these really artsy luggage handle wraps. This set comes with 5 luggage handle wraps in the painting pattern of Van Gogh. These are some of his famous paintings. In this set, there is irises, landscapes near Alphers, wheat fields, the Cafe Terrace at night, Starry Night, which is my favorite, and sunflowers. I love that these wraps are so bright and vibrant in a sea of the same color bags, the same type of bags. I love that you're able to spot your bags easily in the overhead bins or at baggage claim at the airport. I have a lot of bags that have straps and handles, so I'm glad that I'm able to secure those straps and handles. And I absolutely love strolling down the aircraft aisle with my luggage wraps. I get so many compliments. But every time that I have these luggage wraps on my bags, I feel like they are works of art, and I hope yours will too. And that's my point of view.